Hello everyone. Do you know what is cocktail? Cocktail is Malaysian dessert that usually Malaysian people eat at any time and anywhere. So I will show you all of ingredient how to making a cocktail. Hi. The ingredient that we will use to make the cocktail are mango, grape, and additional ingredient are agar-agar and sago.
Okay, after we prepare the ingredients, first of all, we need to wash all the fruits before we cut. Okay, to make the cocktail beautiful and easy to eat, we need to cut the fruit into cubes. Okay, after we cut all the fruits, we put it into containers. So you guys can look how we cut the dragon fruit, apple, mango, and grape.
Okay, for the next part, we need to turn on the stove. First, we want to cook the milk. Okay, you need to pour this milk. We use fresh milk, any kind of brand. You put 1 tin of evaporated creamer. We need to wait for the milk to boil before we add salt. At the same time, we need to stir the milk constantly. And then we pinch salt. And we stir it constantly until it boils. The reason why we cook this milk first because we don't want it to get spoiled easily. After the milk boil, we turn off the stove and we need to chill it first. And then after it chill, we need to filter the milk.
To make your cocktail more tasty and delicious, we also can add sago as our additional ingredient. Here I will show you how to cook sago. First of all, we need to boil 1.5 ml water. And then pour in sago stick into the water and also over the heat. Okay. And then let it simmer for around 10 minutes. We need to stir to prevent the sago from sticking to the pot. After 10 minutes of simmering, we need to turn off the heat. Keep the pot covered for about 5 to 10 minutes.
First of all, we need to dissolve 1 packet of pudding powder and fine sugar. After that, we pour the liter of cool water to the mixture. After that, we pour the cool water to the mixture, 1 liter of water. Then we bring to boil over the low heat. After the pudding was cooked, lastly we pour the cooked pudding into container and allow to cool. Last but not least, to make our cocktail, we need to mix all the ingredients that we prepared just now.
First, we put in sago. Next, all the fruit. And last, we put in agar-agar. Okay, after we mix all the ingredients, we put the milk.